In this video, we're going to tell you about the best wood for exterior wood columns. Ipe is one of the best woods for exterior use. It's an all-natural exotic hardwood that is naturally resistant to rot, decay, wood-boring insects, mold, and fungus. Ipe is 8 times harder than California redwood, 3 times harder than teak, and is proven to last up to 75 years on many commercial applications. Ipe has been used on the Atlantic City Boardwalk, Las Vegas Treasure Island Resort, the Brooklyn Bridge, and many more high-profile landmarks. Our Ipe decking is responsibly harvested from well-managed forests to provide a truly renewable resource. Ipe has many advantages over teak and is available at a fraction of the cost. We ship our Ipe decking products directly to your home or job site. Check out this project where our customer Bryan built custom wood columns using our Ipe wood for his craftsman style home.
I have more people ask me about my columns than anything else on a house. What kind of wood is that? They don't know if it's composite or if it's a real wood, and if so, how did I achieve the color for stain? And I said, that's just a natural wood. So I do value that people do see and recognize that it is a different species of wood, so it's well worth every dollar to me.